Hello English learners, let us learn verb forms in today's video. But before we start, let us first understand what do you mean by verb forms. Verb forms are nothing but different variations of verbs. So without any further delay, let's get started. V1 is present tense, V2 is past, V3 is past participle, V1 plus ing, what I call it as V4 is continuous, and will plus V1 form of verb, that is verb 1 form of verb is future. So the first verb what we are having here is sing. V2 form of sing is sang. V3 sung. V1 plus ing. V1 is sing here. Just add ing to this. Singing. And will sing. Next, take. V2 is took. V3 is taken. V4, that is V1 plus ing is taking. And future is will take. Next, break. Break. Broke. Broken. Breaking. Breaking. And will break in future. Next, build, built, built, building, future is will build. Next, speak. V2 form will be spoke. V3 is spoken. Continuous form will be speaking, speaking. Future will be will speak, will speak. Jump, jumped. Past participle will be, that is V3 form, jumped again. V1 plus ing, jumping. And future is will jump, will jump. Eat, ate. Eaten, eating, eating. Will eat, will eat. Climb, climbed, climbed again. Climbing, climbing. Will climb, will climb. Next, buy, bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. V3 will also remain bought. Continuous form is buying, B-U-Y-I-N-G. Buying, will buy, will buy. Bring, brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Brought again. Bringing. Bringing. Will bring. Will bring in the future. Think. Think. Thought. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought again. Thinking. Thinking. Will think in the future. Will think. Teach, taught, T-A-U-G-H-T. Don't mess up with the spelling. Taught, T-A-U-G-H-T. V4 form will also be teaching, T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G, teaching. And future will be will teach. Forget, forget, forgot, F-O-R-G-O-T, forgot, forgotten, forgotten. Forgetting, forgetting, will forget, will forget. Go, V2 is went, V3 is gone, V4 is going, going. Last, will go. I hope you have found this video interesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.